Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro really coming soon? If so, when can we expect it, and what upgrades will it feature? In this video, I'm going to cover all these questions and clarify things about the Mini 5 Pro. Let's get into it. The Mini 4 Pro came out a year ago now, only bringing omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, new smart flight features, and minor camera upgrades. Could this mean that the Mini 5 will be a bigger upgrade cycle? In my opinion, it won't be like that. Let me explain. The Mini 4 Pro doesn't have any big difference compared to a larger drone, like the Air 3S. It only lacks the dual camera, mainly for the weight and wind resistance, which is not that different, however. Everything despite this is basically at the same level. And that's why I personally don't think the Mini 5 will be far better spec-wise, because they tweaked almost every aspect of it. And even if they managed to add the dual camera, for example, the price would be even higher and it will compete too much with drones like the Air series. Even now, at a price point of $800, the Mini 4 is close to higher-hand drones. That make it less appealing, in my opinion. And so, since there aren't any leaks about the Mini 5 at the moment, my guess is that they could upgrade the flight performance with a newer design, along with a bigger sensor and a lower price point. Speaking about the release date, as many of you have asked in the comments, it will not be released in 2024. We can expect it in 2025, maybe in the early part of the year, considering they usually release new models every 1.5 years. Make sure to subscribe to see all the new leaks and updates when they come out.